Etie for me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV. Many abo video na eda screen so sisiano on social media. Now I felt that no, I actually have to use this opportunity to talk about this. Now ade awo hwe no, akoye se chamber, coronavirus disinfection and disinfecting chamber. Senya obeka na bia abrofo no. Na wo hwe senya abrofo no ye kana na tre se sa de no ukohwemu a ebe spray eduro egu so na tese coronavirus no se wo nsa ho ana wo ho na bebi akra na ebe ku no na we ade bi a yese Kumase high wo mo teacher bi a wo ye physics teacher ewo Kumase high school video no mebo na wati ni din ye friend name se Samuel Kwamo se den I think so mebo video no na tese wati ni din abrante na wo ye no se we hu eduro no na tese egu ni ho no intirade we na we pie film simple ade bia anka betumi aboa emagana akosropa yenkonko tie narration of the whole thing no.
This is a COVID-19 disinfection chamber. This chamber, when you enter, it senses your presence and then sprays disinfectants all over your body. These have varied applications and can be used as public places, banks, churches, schools, just to mention a few. This system was designed by Samuel Kwamo Olatunde, a physics teacher at Kumase High School, to help curb the spread of the coronavirus. Please stay home and spread calm, not fear.
Say narration no mo amoetie ne sanse to de bia ye kan se mo brofo mo ya ankrofo nso esre se men translate intro mo no so enti no me translate na de wo kan se ade na esi wo no se ne wa wo hu no eye chamber eye glass ene de aye eye automatic na ade na ya ade bia eduro ewom ya ye no automatic se ukohyemu a ade na nkasa eni kwan se wo kra wo mia bibi so because say yare no won san ho ana yare no won ho na wo kohye sa ade we mu na wo de ho kokan na tre say won infect ade no nso nti wo ko wure mu na eni kwan say wo de ho kan bibi ya system no automatic say wonya ko wure mu na system no be hu say nipa bi aba abaginem nti the system no be ye say eduro etumi kum emboa na ye coronavirus no enu ankasa be free ade ni mu se ne aye ne aye he ewo video no sisia no won say we page na nsa na tre say wo chinchim ne ho and I won't say a drone no na egugu ne ho no eno ano no very very simple, very simple. Etiefo na ade we ya ade bia me hu video no me bo me nsem say ade we ye imagine say every supermarket nanka wo beko every supermarket wo beko because isi ano lockdown ababa still in Grofoko supermarket endro echime ko Melcom Nkrofo gu on easy every single day. Nkrofo ba Melcom because people are stocking things in their homes. Nkrofo ba beto me ko Melcom say me ko to brodo. Me ko e brodo nasa. Nkrofo beto ni na people are inti wo hwe supermarket na. Na wo de ade we esi entrance no. Wo de wo pe mienu kra na wo de si entrance na wo de si exit. Wo bia ba eno ane say we wurem na wo pagya nensa na ade na hwie eduro na egu ne so. Na say unim say nipa kunu remu a say yare no e wona tare ho kra e spray the whole body say nya we pagya nensa no amotuem nia ekowrem e spray the whole body. And this is even effective than using hand sanitizer no e won nsa ho. Because at the end say yes say wo bi e wo yare no na wo the hand sanitizer aye ne nsa ho a ne nsa ho yare na e wo ne nsa ho no e na say ekun no. But ebi ayare no wona tare ho na wo de ho ekoka atare na ana wo de ho sakoka no na tare na obetumi nso nya yare no. So I believe say yepe a very effective system to fight this coronavirus. Government should contact the physics teacher, and then however, whatever they will do to help him, say adie we yentumi near fan to public places, banks, and contacting. This is the time for them to invest in things like this. Yan fan to public places. Will be raw bank mu, and now will be raw public place biana, public office now, still a year open to people now. And one say we pajamas, and now they are hospitals. And then news some eba you see a doctor for be our more tema general hospital yare no account mo. It imagine say the entrances of hospital wards na ade we esi ho. Ure mu a we pagya onsa na spray hu nia wonim say o ho no you are safe. O bounce na we pagya onsa na spray. I think that this is actually good. This is good. I was say Ghana phone na ye bo ye enkofo ya baso na this is even not the only time. And then I like how Ghanaian youth are rising on top of the challenge now. I like how the Ghanaian youth are we are actually using our brains. I like say now people are coming into it and people are helping. So last 2 weeks, Kofi Adoma wani eko interview another young man being so one also need an automatic. O de won sa ehye eye ade na se na tese no aka se hwe nsuo egun sa ho na tese ohro nsa ma. And the news are air says our young man no the FDA because bibia bebia no standard board bibia bebia no san microphone na was a certified so okay ade we the public can use it. And then it is a standard board for a certify amasa brand here no says the public will be able to use it. I feel say they should also go into this and see say how can we do it better. A drone now no is it effective enough? Because Sisiano the thing is working. And then the standard board should also come in, government should come in. I think this is the little the youth can even do to help towards the fight of coronavirus. And I'm telling you, that system way there very, very effective. Because even in Brofofuane Krano, I've not seen say what system be say. Ewo supermarket ne Italy ayare ne eku omu bebre no. I have not seen say what system be say. Imagine say what system be say. Nanka ye de atoto to communities bia nanka yare na to obetwa at here. So I feel that the government should actually come in very typical of Ghana no. Let's not make this go to waste because in these trying times no we need technology to help us. Ekame kwa nanka sa COVID-19 tracker na yakoye no nanka ekame kwa nkanka nanka we kra ye effective sin no ekame kwa sa application COVID-19 na yesi yakoye no we effective sin no. So let's try to reach out to these people. Miss Regana mayemma ade we enko sa akeke wa wo hwe no udi mi adanse say no this is good, this is a good thing. Imagine all the public places are walk supermarkets any what have you. Let Abiana me read it from a footballer Abiana Manchester United as he say wako Inter Milan Ashley Young. Let Abiana otro was say wo Italy sisia was say wo hwe Italy yare no se ne ekosura wo no Ashley Young ohun ne se eye supermarket ne kra dodo no e na tese wo mo spread yare no supermarkets dodo no e na spread yare no because obi wo yare no na wo ye asymptomatic o se say omo kan no because as e bi mo wo yare na wo mo show any symptoms. Some microphone so to me spread it. It will be where you know ora supermarket or na will show symptoms are. What the nsa keka nyama ne sana. Wo bi nso ba no ni yare no so the nsa be keka nyama no ana wo be yi nyama ne fish of me so say wo to a. When yare no because they wo yare no e the nsa be kan nyama no. So if you have things like this at the supermarkets or in the supermarkets the pakunu wo yare no owure mu kra na ade no disinfecting the body no. The whole body at that particular instant. Into okono de nsa keka enyama ne kra na yare no ewu efi ne nsa ho. I feel this is very effective. And you see, last time I brought you a story say na me ne obi enam ene do supermarket. na ye do hon na ne pa ko no etre me se wono de won konko ho ne nsa sana ne pa ko no etre me. But if you place this in front of the supermarket ni pa ko no want to me nka say won rem because this is in front akoya say it is the door e was supermarket nanim enti se wo re super and the eje ka say supermarket no nkom wo re mu bia na mandatory you have to pass through this. I think this is very good. Mesre mun share video we e mai pa mo de minimo and na no me ba e me ka say mun share video bi na say no em say yenya results omo ani e pese video no ekokodu omo ho no ekodu omo ho we nso munya ne sa e wo say aban impanyifo bi unim aban impanyifo bi a yesre wo de wo mo social media na wo mo number just copy the link of this video and post it to them. Meaning say ya attend the ne ba say na nke be di aban impanyifo bi atemo a na ka mo de ye number be mo so mo mfre me ba bon say be blast politicians a na mo de ye number akoma mo na mo afre yen na mo so akeka mo adwen atre yen yesre we ya ade bia be boa Ghana fo ni na inti senia ye di politicians atema na say ye kan asem bi na anya politician there senia wo ba bon tin be di atema na wo fa video no ekoma politician we nso yesa fa koma politicians no man why aha mesremo montre mo adwen comment box ni mo me da ase